make a different kind of video here. Do a lot of buying and selling of farm equipment. Today we're going to do a little video on how to buy and sell lawn mowers. Going to look at some older lawn and garden tractors. Going to do a little video of purchasing them, what to look for, how much we think we'll get out of them. Already looked at this stuff last week. Ended up getting everything for $1,200. There's a two little Struck Magnatrack crawlers, pretty neat little things. A Power King, Massey Ferguson with a deck, and a John Deere that someone made into a trike front. Pretty neat little 110 round fender. So let's go check this stuff up, check this stuff out. We'll get some big video of us loading it, and I'll show you what we got and where we're going. Let's go. So this is what we got here. We got two Struck Magnatrack crawlers. This guy right here is for parts. I got that side track's off. I'm missing the cover on it. Back end's pretty clean. This one's been messed with a little bit in the back end. Someone added a sleeve hitch, but it does have the blade on the front and it's supposed to run, so we'll see. This John Deere does run. Someone put a trike front end under it with the balloon tires, Kohler engine in it, repaint, nice little tractor. Came with this set of duals right here, right there and right there. So it really came with 3 tires, which is not too bad. Got a Power King, wheel weights in the back, hydraulics, 3-point hitch, mower deck, good mower deck. I mean, it's been patched a little bit, but it's clean. Good clean tractor, should be worth a little bit of money. And we got this Massey, and this Massey is absolutely mint. Must have been a little old ladies or something like that. We were looking at the deck. That deck's never seen any use. I mean, it is original seat, absolutely mint, perfect. So that'll be a good one to sell. I figure I'll probably hold on to these Magnatracks. But selling wise, like we said, we got 12 into it. We're figuring we're gonna get about 600 out of the Power King with a good deck. I figure I'll get about, that's a real clean Massey, all original. I'd say 600 to 800 on it. And that John Deere's probably worth 8 to 1,000. So you can see right there, there's some good money to be made in this stuff. Just got to hold on to it, list it right so people know what you got. So I figure we're gonna unload a little bit and get this stuff listed. I'll give you guys some more tips and tricks to get stuff listed, and we'll go from there.